I'm here in Silang Cavite with my nephew because my brother invited us for an overnight stay in an Airbnb. We decided to come early to explore this restaurant along Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. Just look at the native structures. Very refreshing and relaxing. Unfortunately, the weather prevents us from dining in this area for the protection of everybody because it's quite slippery. But this will not prevent us from enjoying a hearty meal. Mukhang masasarap ang mga pagkain na nasa kanilang menu. Kaya kakain at kakain talaga kami. So tara, join us in exploring Pamahaw by Dahon at Mesa. Tuki ka! So, heto na ang menu dito sa Pamahaw by Dahon at Mesa. Meron silang all-day breakfast. Meron din silang bestseller meal. Mukhang madami akong gusto dito. Meron din silang Boodle Fight set. More Boodle Fight choices. Meron din silang choices of appetizers at merienda. They also have sandwiches, desserts, pasta, and pizza. Cold and hot beverages, fruit shakes and juices. May salad and my favorite, vegetables. May soup and of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang rice. Rice is life. Some seafoods and a lot more. Nag-order kami ng kanilang full English breakfast Boodle Fight. Look, nakakatuwa tignan, nakakagutom. Nag-order din kami ng longganisa meal. Tortang talong, dinakdakan, syempre, ang garlic rice platter. Gagamit kami ng plastic gloves para sa mga maaarte.
Kakabay-kabay. One hand.
Unahin ko yung giant hotdog. Kids can tell yata ito.
Toast with egg. Bacon.
Then try ko itong waffle. Sausaw ko nga dito sa ketchup. Nabalance ng lasa ng waffle yung lasa ng hotdog at bacon. Hotdog pa more. Try ko naman itong dinakdakan.
Yeah. Ito yung dinakdakan. So dinakdakan is what? Anong part ng face? So ito yung face ng pork.
Best with rice.
Ito yung Boodle Fight na maarte.
Then try natin itong mixed veggies. More rice. Ito na mango shake ko.
Kaso may straw. Hindi pala pwede. Buti naalala ko, hindi pala pwede sa straw. So I have to remove the straw kasi hindi ako pwede gumamit ng straw dahil bagong tooth extraction. So, higupin ko lang.
Kahit bagong bunot ako, hindi pa din ako matitinag sa pagkain. Sarap din itong toasted bread. Tapos rice. Ang weird, no?
Sarap. Promise. Toby, try it. Sarap. Yung dinakdakan na natikman namin ng tuna. Medyo masyado marami yung pag marami yung mayo. Ito tama lang. Ito yung parang dinakdakan. Pampang. Oh yeah. Ang sarap ng garlic. That's the sunny side up.
Di ba yung pure foods? Mas mamura pa yung iba.
Right here.
That's some good rice.
No.
It's all yours.
It's all right.
Masarap mo longganisa.
Dalawang ganisa, oh. At
The longganisa is fire, bro.
I want to taste the
I swear. It's so good.
longganisa.
So tomato.
It's very so good. Sarap.
Busog na nga kami sa kape. May
Have you been to Opus?
Opus Mall. Yeah, pero the last time we've been there, puro sarado.
We ate, the last time we went there, we ate sa Tres.
A known American restaurant there.
Parang time zone.
Really?
Yeah. Johnny Rockets, I'm not sure.
Oh, Johnny Rockets.
Yeah, Johnny Rockets.
I remember seeing that in Eastwood.
It's not worth it.
Their milkshakes were good.
Sobrang lamig.
The start was okay, pero pag tinitingnan ko, ano bang story behind it? Yung umpisa. Anong pinanggalingan ng story? Saan nanggaling si Superman? Bakit gano'n yung start? Akala ko baka may idudugtong. Pero wala, di ba?
Pero isn't that known na? Like, they know the start.
Oo nga. Pero di ba the beginning of the story, itong latest, bumagsak si Superman from above.
Yeah.
Saan siya galing? Ba't kanina siya nakipag-away yung ganyan? No mention about, diba?
Sa start where he fell sa ice?
Oo.
Wasn't that the one na, no? He was currently fighting the...
No, ito is talking about Superman's origin.
Atay ba to?
That's different. The silver guy. That's different. Silver, sir.
Pero hindi siya alam. Wala lang kasi ganun.
Hindi lang.
May atay ba? Wala. Ano lang yan. Tawag doon, sinugbat lang. Tapos sa kanila chinap.
Parang hindi atay ito. Gusto ko atay.
Baka wala.
I know the taste of atay.
Ayoko yung atay sa lahat. Have you taste yung yung manok na may egg pa sa loob?
Manok na may egg dito.
Hindi, ganito. Diba? Yung itlog, lumalabas sa chicken. So, the egg is still inside the
Which came
mother's
first, the
womb.
chicken or the egg?
So when you open the chicken, you get the egg inside. So hindi ba siya na
Malambot pa siya. Lakas siya.
lalabas? Have you tasted that?
Baka that's the one I tasted.
Baka.
Kasi, ganito. Alam mo ba, mahal yun. We usually buy that usually sa Makati,
Salcedo Market.
sa Salcedo Market. Kasi talaga ang hirap makahanap
What's
nun.
the color of that?
Orange.
Oh, the one I
When
was
it's
green.
uncooked. Tapos, we usually add that sa tinola. Nag-iiba na yung kulay. It's like eating a hard-boiled egg na hindi naman talaga siya hard-boiled.
That's good sa mga bagong opera, bagong
Oo.
panganak, galing ka sa sakit.
Kasi mahirap makahanap nun.
Ano yun, nare-regenerate yung yung energy mo. Kasi siya.
Minsan nga, patikimin kita.
The only vegetables I'll accept is chop suey.
Chop suey.
That's it. That's the only vegetable. That's the only vegetable dish that I like.
The least I
can-
like, chop suey.
Chop suey.
Baka sawa ka lang.
Siguro.
Sa nudo.
But that's repolyo. Usually chop suey is repolyo,
What's that?
carrots, the round thing.
The round one.
Cabbage. It's like a round cabbage. Repolyo. Very common talaga yun, kahit pansit. And then the carrots,
Ang sarap.
cauliflower and broccoli.
Ano?
Yun yung sa
Kaya nga
chop
kumuha ko
suey.
kanina.
And red bell pepper. Bell pepper.
Wait, to make your mango shake.
Coffee and dessert ito.
Hinihintay ko siyang mag-melt. Kasi I can't use the straw.
Biti
Pero
kami.
Philippines have they experienced a tsunami pa?
Hindi pa.
Meron! Sa
Meron na.
Bacon. Sa Bacon.
Sorsogon.
Susugon.
Tsunami?
Oo.
How big?
Malaki daw, di ba?
When you're talking of tsunami kasi, it doesn't mean naman na tsunami is already big.
Yeah, I know, but like yung...
Kasi like the house, we used to have a house there, yung house ng lola. Wala na, nag-iba, tinamaan ng tsunami.
Kasi
ng
yung
tsunami.
pala doon, yung sa lapit sa hostel.
Nabayaan na yata. Yung comfort room namin doon, if you want to make poop, may butas talaga, butas lang sa sa lupa.
Lupa. Ganun.
Parang yung sa mga
Tapos, tapos walang ilaw, you have to bring candle. Pero nagdadala talaga ako ng timba para syempre, kailangan may mabugas ka eh. Maarte ako eh.
Ang ano lang doon, baka lumusot ka.
Tapos, yung paligid mo, ano lang gawa sa...
Pawid.
Oo. Yung pawid. niya pag nilipad.
It made sa sa dahon ng coconut.
Oh, sige. You can get it.
coconut
Oo,
husk.
makita ko lang kukunin ko.
Kunin ko lang to.
Ito pa nga, I'll get this next.
Ayoko na.
Tapos kahit ito may
I don't mind.
Ito na yung pandit.
okay lang dito lang ako yung si
You want now?
Kahit dito lang ako nasa car pa. Wala, mamaya dito lang. Okay lang.
Ano?
It's here.
Yeah, I need. Is it legit?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, I need also.
Oh, hindi mo.
Ano nag-open?
Yeah, yung market. Hindi sa bill.
Days lang. 100,000 something.
Yeah.
You have classes on Monday, no?
Yeah.
Kami we don't have.
Why?
I declared it holiday. No work kami on Monday.
You know, of course, pero
Kasi sabi namin, mag-overnight pa kami dito.
Yung
Pero
ano?
not yet sure, not yet sure.
I have to submit documents na.
Pwede bang Tuesday wala submit?
Just in case.
They just ask them.
Pwede naman.
Oo, pwede naman daw.
Sinusubo niyo ako, ah.
Well, we're here na eh. Kaysa bumalik eh.
alam ka naman, gusto mo dito.
Magbabalag ka.
Hindi sabi pa siya. Eh, ako tagawa, pero yun.
Kasi, kasama sa bucket list ko, yung Escala,
What's a skull?
sa hotel.
That's okay.
Eh, ako lang dito na sa wala.
Later na dito, meron. Sa hotel, overlooking ng Taal Volcano, tapos may swimming pool sa gitna. Ang ganda ng, parang pa-letter U yung hotel. Sa gitna yun. Tapos overlooking ng Taal Volcano.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's good.
So we're gonna stay there?
You want?
Yeah.
Let's check later.
Sige.
Basta magsabag ano pala, Tuesday na.
Kung pwede naman just bakit hindi?
May dala ka bang damit until Monday.
Kaya naman extension eh.
Reuse it.
Oh, side A, side
Tapos
B.
what I bought is a hoodie at saka yung pants ko. Reusable naman siya.
And ang leche flan for dessert.
Ayaw na nila mag-dessert.
I don't like you.
Sarap ka ng cherry.
Probitas.
Bakit ayaw mo nito? Ayaw mo yan. Pork lang siya. Ayaw ah.
Yung mga pulban, kailangan na yung mga dalawa lang yung ano. Oo, eh.
Bagong bunot pa ako niyan.
They also have a variety of snacks for you to take home. Mukhang madami ako mabibili dito. They all look so yummy. May cornix of different flavors. Shingaling, namiss ko ito. Kamote chips, anchovy crackers, kasama chips. Halo-halo nuts, uy, may butcheron. May mallows of different flavors din sila. May vinegar, honey, healthy sweets. Meron din silang different blends of coffee. May vanilla hazelnut, black arabica, hazelnut mocha, Barako hazelnut, butterscotch mocha, cashew nut, my favorite, may roasted at adobo flavored kasoy, greaseless and adobo peanuts, native and spicy peanuts, squash seeds, trail mix, bukayo, chili garlic sauce, chicken pastil. Ay, di talaga ako nakapagpigil. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching!